Ah, air. Such a naturally occurring wonder that we take for granted. It helps us live. It gives creatures of the sky flight. It powers our world and gives you the greatest arm ache while trying to make your meringue whip come out at least one gosh darn time. Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about aeration and foaming in food. This is both because it is an interesting topic and because it's required for a cooking course presentation. Hey, you in the back, get off your phone. Now, what exactly am I talking about here? For starters, these processes tie closely with, you guessed it, air. Most specifically, when air creates our bubbly little friend here, foam. Now, foam is both a naturally occurring and man-made substance. It can range from many things, being stuff used to fight fires, bad things to release in a friend's house, what the Little Mermaid turned into in the original story, and what makes all anime drinks look 10 times better. How does foam work? Well, when air gets incorporated into a substance, more often liquid than not, sometimes it can remain trapped and form little air bubbles. This puffs up the substance and gives it a softer, lighter, and airy structure. Let's take an egg, for example. This little batch of salmonella is one of the most common ingredients in the cooking world, and for good reason. It's an excellent bonding agent, as well as how it adds on to the product's structure after cooking. For this demonstration, my roommate Al's here is going to crack open the egg and work on separating out the egg whites. In a bowl, we'll combine this with the necessary ingredients for a meringue whip. Now comes what this whole video is about. We are going to force air into the mixture and give it that delicate structure we love to taste. To do this, we are going to need the proper tools, which can be a whisk, a handheld mixer, or a stand mixer. Because I don't have all the time in the world, I'm going to use something that will speed this process up. Don't try this at home, kids. As you can see, we have finished whipping the whip. The process is deemed complete when you can create little peaks by dragging the whisk across its surface. What do you think? Is it foamy enough? Let's get this on our pie and into the oven. Heat also plays a major role in this process as air expands when heated. The molecules get whizzed up on some good old kinetic energy and expand our lovely treat. This can be seen when you looked at a baked cake. The expanding air is what helped the batter rise. What other food products use this process? Well, there are more casually occurring ones like foams on drinks. Then there are its uses in making food, such as bread, popcorn, and why our carbonated soft drinks are so fizzy. Mainly, it's used for delicate desserts. This can be macaroons, ice cream, cookies, foam cakes, and my favorite, the marshmallow. Cook it again and it becomes softer than the air that forged it. Taffy also uses this process before it's compacted. This is why it's called airheads. Aeration and foaming is not a process we commonly think about when baking, kind of like air in general. Both, however, are fundamentally important, and when you learn how to harness it, you can do great feats. Though I don't think you can use meringue to lift a Boeing 737 into the sky. Thank you for tuning in and listen to me yap about foam for an uncomfortably long time. If you'll excuse me, I have a roommate who's making off with the main portion of my presentation. See you next time, and remember, it never hurts to wear a hard hat. Owls, get back here!